one of my personal favorites is the AIA Critical Protect. Alright, ano meron dito? It has coverage up to age 100, critical illness coverage up to age 100, and then it covers you 57 major illnesses, and then 34 minor illnesses, and then 9 gender-specific cancers. So in total, 100 illnesses yung covered nun. So kung titignan natin kung magkano siya for a 38-year-old female, tingnan natin dito sa quotation na ito. If you can see, that's 38,242.50 for a 1 million coverage na life or critical illness, whichever comes first. Meron siyang rider na minor critical illness benefit. It advances 25%. So in this case, 250,000 pesos. It advances 25% of the face amount in case of diagnosis of a minor critical illness. And then, may additional 500,000 for gender-specific cancer benefit. For female nga, ang example dito is breast cancer or ovarian cancer. For male, it's prostate cancer. So additional 500,000 siya, magiging 1.5 million in case of gender-specific cancer benefit. All in all, 38,242.50 lang siya per year for 20 years. Si AIA Critical Protect, meron siyang 2 payment options. May 10 years to pay at may 20 years to pay. Yung pinakita ko kanina, 20 years to pay siya. I will show you yung 10 years to pay option kung gusto mong mas maikse. So with the same coverage for the same 38-year-old female, yung 10 years to pay ng 1 million coverage is 70,392.50 lang. So if you pay 10 years, that's only 703,000. Ang coverage mo 1 million. Covered ka na up to age 100. In case hindi magkaroon ng critical illness, which is yun ang gusto natin, hindi tayo magkasakit, magiging life insurance siya. So whichever comes first, whether death siya or critical illness, you get 1 million, and then hindi ka na magbabayad kung sakali man na hindi ka pa tapos magbayad for 20 years or 10 years. So ganun kaganda yung AIA Critical Protect. Straightforward lang siya na critical illness coverage, and then it converts to life insurance just in case nothing happens. Alright? So, and then also, itong policy na to, ito yung policy, ito yung product na pwede sa minor. Alright? So pwede siya sa minor. So nag-try ako for a 4-year-old male, alright, with the same benefit, 1 million life insurance or critical illness, 250,000 a major or the minor critical illness benefit, sorry. And then the gender-specific cancer benefit na 500,000. And then nagdagdag ako ng 500,000 recovery benefit kasi mura lang. In case mabuhay, yung insured, makakatanggap ng 100,000 for the next 5 years. So yung total ng 500,000. That's additional yon. So 2 million yung coverage, 1 million plus 500,000 and 500,000 ulit. Tapos may payers benefit on death and disability that waives the future premium in case of death or total and permanent disability ng owner, na ma-fully paid na or ma-waive na yung mga future premiums niya. No, it's only 1,000 pesos lang yung babayaran mo in addition for that. No, ang total premium is 15,509.53. Alright? And then 20 years to pay din ito. So parang 300,000 in total, 2 million yung total coverage na pwede mong mabigay sa anak mo. Yun yung maganda rito.
Hello guys, this is DJ Di Maliwat, and in this video, we will talk about one of my favorite